Hello everyone, this is Joseph, and me and my partners, we are here at the TeckWrap factory. We will give you a tour. Please come with us.
For many years, we have said we are about quality and diversity, but today we are much more than just quality and diversity. As you get a tour of our factory, you're going to see technology, you're going to see how things are made, you can see the quality control.
It's the best polymeric film with a wide range of colors at the same time, with a worldwide distribution, additional products like paint protection film, window film, and printing media.
And the good thing about TeckWrap, I feel, is that we have the ability to flex, to react to a new color comes out. There's a hot color from some automobile company. We don't need big board meeting. We evaluate it and we move quick. We're just turning and reacting to the markets. That's why we have so many colors, and that's why we can produce such high quality PPF. And you can see all the filters for the environments. We have a special filtering system, and that will, just help the environment to stay clean, which is very important to us.
TeckWrap has a triple quality check procedure.
Yeah.
And this is one of the steps. When we have these special lights and we double check for imperfections, for mistakes. So if there's any mistake found, our team member will mark that mistake and cut out that mistake.
Correct.
So this way we ensure that you will get the perfect product. This is how the master roll is put together with the glue and the back paper.
It's important that we have the right quality glue, because some of our competitors don't have that. We're using raw materials.
We have our own glue.
Yeah.
We have our own formulas. So.
Yeah. So we limit any orange peel. It doesn't happen. It's not going to happen because of the technology of the plastic liner.
A good selling point of TeckWrap, because when you buy TeckWrap, you don't have to worry about sending it back and getting a replacement roll. As you know, TeckWrap is always improving, always changing. And these are our new boxes. We started our rebranding process and it's actually done. In the near future, all your products will be coming in these newly designed boxes with our new logo. We just finished 2024 and entered 2025. And we believe this will be a year of new heights for TeckWrap. We are making the most amazing window films this year. We are actually focusing more on our PPF production. If you haven't tried our PPF yet, this is the year, this is the time to try it. See quality, see amazing workability when it comes to you, to your shop, and to our materials.